So first of all, before I call him upon over here, let me tell you his background. He is CA as well as CS, qualified CA, qualified CS. चारों स्टेज पे रैंक रही है और कहीं बीच में गैप्स नहीं है कि जी कोई अटेम्प्ट स्किप किया हो या कुछ, रेगुलर आर्टिकलशिप किया है और अपना करियर ही वांट्स टू मेक इन कंसल्टेंसी बिकॉज ही हैज अ वेरी good interest in regard to taxation. तो taxation में क्योंकि GST obviously अब आ रहा है तो there is a lot of scope and he is very keen on, he is very interested, as well as let me tell you his ranks. लाना यार एक मिनट साथ में. Thank you. He has scored rank 4 in CA IPCC, rank 40 in CA final this year जो अभी रिजल्ट आया था, rank 14 in CS executive and rank 2 in CS प्रोफेशनल जो अभी रिजल्ट आया ही है. So I've called him up with the purpose that he shares his story with you, how he studied, how he gave his best and got the best out of him. Please welcome everybody, CA and CS Harsh Gupta. ऐसे नहीं मिलते हैं, ऐसे मिलते हैं. God bless you जी, God bless you. Thank you. So he'll speak now. मैं सिर्फ खड़ा हुआ देखता रहूंगा साथ में. All yours.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो थैंक्स अ लॉट सर जो आपने इतना बढ़िया इंट्रोडक्शन दिया. सर के पास स्टूडेंट्स काफ़ी हैं जिन्होंने मेरे से भी बहुत बेटर स्कोर किया है, बट आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू हिज हार्ट एंड ही इज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट. सो आई विल कम बैक टू सर लेटर डेफिनेटली, अनडाउटेडली. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बिगेस्ट क्रेडिट ऑफ माय सक्सेस गोज टू माय पेरेंट्स एंड आई suggest everyone that always value your parents, because whatever you are doing is for them and because of them, because they are supporting you indirectly. You will not realize that. I always quote ki if I am doing CA or CS, my mom is doing CA CS along with me, because अगर मुझे सुबह 6 बजे घर से निकलना था, she will wake me up at she will get up at 5 or 4:30 to pack the lunch for me. वो हमेशा 1-1.5 घंटा पहले उठेंगे. अगर if I am getting home by 11 or 12, she will be sleeping 1 hour late. तो and हमें तो weekends off मिल जाते हैं, घूमने चले जाते हैं, but homemakers moms they have no weekends, no holidays, so they are very selfless and all they want कि उनके बच्चे successful हों, and that's a very proud moment. Like I achieved this, I got some news articles in some newspapers, so that was a proud moment. And वो achieve करने का फायदा तभी था कि they were proud, my teachers were proud and my friends were proud. वरना अचीव करने का कोई यूज नहीं अगर आप के साथ सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए कोई नहीं है. माई पेरेंट्स वर हैप्पी, सो दैट मेड इट वर्थ इट. दैट्स व्हाट आई विल से. सेकेंडली, माई टीचर्स, एंड इन टीचर्स आशीष सर विल ऑलवेज स्टैंड फर्स्ट, बिकॉज हिज वॉज द फर्स्ट कोचिंग इन CA IPCC दैट आई टुक. इट वॉज वे बैक इन May 12th. That time my CA coaching started, so his was the first coaching. And he gave me that aim of a single digit rank. He wrote me in my book. He specifically asked me, what do you aim for? मैंने कहा सर बोथ ग्रुप्स. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं बोला. ठीक है, because I had my regular college that time. So he analyzed my questions and answering skills in the class, and he wrote in my book. So this I will suggest you ki always be interactive in class. Don't be shy to ask question that my question is not that good. What others will think? No. I put up in Badurgarh, so it used to take me around 1.5 hours way back home. तो मैं तो हमेशा सर को क्लास के बीच में डिस्टर्ब करके पूछता था, सर इस चीज़ का जवाब बताइए, क्योंकि सर के पास एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास जाना मतलब मैं तो सर का पैशन देखता था कि क्लास के बाद भी ही सिटिंग हियर फॉर 1.5 hours. So he is putting so much efforts, and all he wants is to see you successful. This is his passion. I have seen his vision, जो uncomparable होता है. इन्होंने मेरे को CA IPCC के लिए विजन दिया, CA फाइनेंस के लिए विजन दिया. CA finance, I couldn't make it that well, but still a big credit goes to sir. Like the institution IGP is so successful, he is running it so well, and ये यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं है, it's just the starting. The plans he discusses, जो बताते हैं, it's मतलब beyond my imagination at least. Like Ajay Jain sir quit, it was a big thing, but then introduced Vijender Agarwal. For Vijender, I can say he was there with me in my articleship. He was my senior. So I asked sir, can I speak about him? So he said, why not? So I'll just say ki his approach is very good. I was in direct taxation and he was in indirect taxation, but still I used to face many issues. Because he was of my age and I can very well open with him, I discussed the direct tax issues with him, GST issues with him, because I had that zeal to learn what is all about GST. He always supported me, and the way he used to describe things, that took my heart away. Simply. So, and why Vijender, matlab, he helped me in my communication skills as well. Because I come from a small town. Even now I don't have that much good grasp of communication. But if you connect with so good people and so good teachers, so that indirectly पता भी नहीं चलता कब आप ग्रूम कर जाते हो. And उसकी articleship इतनी अच्छी firm से हुई है. We are my advisors. He has done his indirect taxation articleship. The examples I have seen is because he's my good friend and brother. I have seen his one video on YouTube जहाँ पे he was explaining that Section 9. He was putting the example of Apple, how Apple is coming into India and stuff. So all the practical aspects he's implementing in the academics, and that will seriously help you when you land up in the practical phase. कई लोग कहते हैं कि यार practical बिल्कुल different है, ये तो हम academics करें कुछ भी नहीं होगा. But ऐसा नहीं है. Obviously, whatever you are studying in academics, that you will only apply in practical ना. And CA is one field जहाँ पे आप जितना core theory में पढ़ोगे, जितने minutely, जितने strong आप अपने concepts बनाओगे, that will help you get into big firms for your articleship and for job later on very easy. And ये doubt भी रहता है बच्चों को कि small firm करें, big firm करें. तो I'll personally suggest go to a big firm if you are getting an offer. All of you are IPCC, ना? IPCC batches.
Yes, IPCC.
So whenever I was in my IPCC, मेरे को लगता था यार ठीक है articleship के time पे ICI ने कुछ ऐसा कर रखा होगा, firms को order दे रखे होंगे कि they will groom you in every field. But when I completed my IPCC and got in the practical field, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to be very specific in choosing a field. Like if you go into big fours, you can't be doing everything. You can either do audit. In audit also you can do either stat audit or internal audit or risk and advisory. And in taxation also you can't do everything. You have to specialize in corporate taxation, indirect taxation, or M&A, or new field of transfer pricing. So you have to be very specific, and वो mind पहले से बना के जाना कि यार articleship में हमें कैसे जाना है. क्योंकि initially मेरा mind ऐसे चलता था कि यार they will groom us in everything. ऐसा नहीं है. You have to choose things for yourself. So be prepared for that. And if you are getting a chance to get into big fours, so do get into big fours. Many of my friends quitted big four कि यार नहीं इतना exposure नहीं मिलेगा. We want an exposure of all the fields. That's why they took small firm. But 3 years down the line, post my articleship and my friends articleship who did from big fours, it helped a lot. Many big companies का criteria ये होता है कि या तो बंदा ranker हो या फिर big four से 3 साल articleship कर रखी हो तभी हम consider करेंगे. So it really makes a difference. I'm not saying small firms are not good, mediocre firms are not good. They are great as well. Many good firms are there. But if you are getting a chance, I'll personally suggest go there. Regarding this CA journey, if I would like to quote, it was seriously not easy for me because during my IPCC tenure, I had my regular college. So My schedule used to be, in the morning I used to leave home at around 6 or 7 to reach college. I used to attend 2-3 lectures. Rushing from there, I used to come to sir's coaching. No, my theory coaching used to be this, I used to go there. Then I used to come to sir's coaching. Then at 10 or 11, I was reaching home. So this was my regular cycle, and this continued for around 1 year. But it really paid off. सब इतनी मेहनत करते हैं यार, तुम सब इतनी मेहनत करते हो, सुबह जल्दी उठना, you are coming to the class and going home late. Many of the regular college students will be there, उन पे double pressure आ जाता है. It's about the little extra effort that you need to put. Like you are coming and traveling. उसमें suppose आपके पास half an hour है. If you will quickly revise कि last class में क्या हुआ था, वो आपको बहुत help करेगा. क्लास में कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो इतनी sincerely लेते हैं कि हमें कोई भी lecture miss नहीं करना. Lecture miss करना उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है. But कुछ होते हैं ठीक है यार कर लिया, नोट से काम चला लेंगे, नोट से मैनेज हो जाएगा. So these are the small things that really makes a big difference. आपको अभी रियलाइज नहीं होगा. Like सर होमवर्क देते हैं, मैंने डेली वो होमवर्क किया था. Because अगर आप पाइल अप करोगे ना तो वो कभी भी नहीं हो पाएगा. You will just think कि यार ठीक है at the end फर्स्ट रिविजन करेंगे तब होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस देख लेंगे. What वो आपके माइंड पे डबल प्रेशर बनाएगा, आपको वो at the end छोड़ने ही पड़ेंगे. एंड एट द एग्जाम टाइम आप हमेशा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे कि यार मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन छोड़े थे कहीं उनमें से ना आ जाए. एंड जिसने 100% कवरेज की होगी, अगर कोई नया क्वेश्चन आ भी रहा है तो उसको पता होगा कि यार मैं पूरा पढ़ के आया हूँ, तो ये चीज़ नहीं है. एंड अब मेरे को अपना कंसेप्ट यूज करना है एंड आई कैन बीट इट. एंड सम स्टूडेंट्स डू दिस थिंग कि कोचिंग लेने के बाद दे रन आफ्टर स्टडी मैट, दे रन आफ्टर PM एंड दे ट्राई टू कवर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. See, CA course is very vast, very diversified. Initially you are taking coachings, you will not realize that. But you have to concise yourself somewhere. So repose your confidence in your teachers. Like sir की book is so comprehensive, वो खुद ही हो जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. If you are covering that, because वो सारा काम वो करते हैं आपके behalf पे. They read PM, they read suggested, they read past year papers and they put the questions in the book. So there is no point you are just revising that exercise and doing that by yourself. That is मतलब एक तरह से efforts waste कर रहे हो. I'm not saying don't do that. Be very selective. Like for theory subjects, if you are doing any subject self, then you should do PM. You have to gain more confidence. Or if any teacher is not having that many questions in his or her books, then you can shift to PM and suggested. So restrict yourself somewhere. That I'll suggest. And CS, it was out of blue thing. मतलब it was not on my plan. On the very last date I registered for CS कि यार चलो देखते हैं. फिर I talked to sir, I have filled CS form, whether shall I give or not. He said give it a try. So CS executive I got around 1.5 months. CA, my efforts in CA really helped me in CS. Like for CS professional if I'll quote, I gave my CA finals in November. My main aim was November. By the end of November, I was not even knowing the name of the subjects in CS professional. So it was around 2 to 3 weeks I got for CS professional. And before the day of the result, I was telling sir, yaar, sir nahi, pata nahi hai kaise hoga. Matlab if I flunk, I won't be shocked. I was telling him that. But he was having that much confidence कि नहीं, you will get a single digit rank very easily. कहीं गई नहीं है. मैंने कहा नहीं सर, अगर मैं flunk भी होता हूँ, I won't be shocked at all because नहीं था यार, 2-3 हफ्ते में पेपर करके दिए थे. You can't compare yourself with others. बट जो 2.5 साल आपने मेहनत करी है या करेंगे आप आगे, वो आपको like it helped me in CS a lot. That's why I was able to get rank 2 in CS. If I would not have done that much efforts in CA, वो CS में कभी भी capitalize नहीं हो पाते. So this is how CA journey helped me. And CA as a course is very vibrant for a commerce student. You will realize by the end of CA when you will be opting for jobs, it can get you into taxation, it can get you into finance, it can get you into audit. No other commerce course will give you those many options which CA gives. आपको हर चीज की नॉलेज होती है. टैक्स CA से ज्यादा कहीं नहीं पढ़ाया जाता. फाइनेंस की आपको कोर नॉलेज हो जाती है. अकाउंट्स आप पढ़ते हैं, लॉ आप पढ़ते हैं. सो इट्स द डाइवर्सिटी विच मेक्स द CA कोर्स यूनिक. तो कभी भी कोर्स को मतलब अंडरमाइन मत करना कि कोर्स अच्छा नहीं है. मैनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू से कि नहीं यार, कोर्स इज नॉट दैट वाइब्रेंट. If you do it sincerely and honestly, it will pay you back really well by the end. Like when your articleship starts, one suggestion I'll definitely give you: plan your studies well. Students they generally do कि 1 साल निकल जाते हैं and they have not even gone through one subject's coaching. वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे मार खाते हैं जो आर्टिकलशिप का पहला साल सोचते हैं सिर्फ काम करेंगे, पढ़ाई 1 साल के बाद सोचते हैं. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ देम यूज्ड टू डू दिस. बट अगर आप देखोगे तो आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट 2.5 साल बाद पड़ेगा. अगर आपने पहले साल में 2 से 3 सब्जेक्ट्स कवर नहीं किए, then how will you manage to cover all the 8 subjects in the rest 1.5 years? So plan your studies well. Try to cover at least 3 subjects. Many firms don't allow coachings. Then you can opt for those subjects which you were planning to do by yourself. You can't be taking coachings for all the 8 subjects, obviously. So you have to plan it. What are your strong areas? Where you can manage and where you can manage it by yourself, and which coachings you need to take. Plan it well and gradually. बट टारगेट जरूर करना कि फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड तक आर्टिकलशिप के आपकी कम से कम 2 सब्जेक्ट्स जरूर पूरे हों, वरना आप एंड में लैग करेंगे. क्योंकि फाइनल्स में डाटा इतना ज़्यादा है याद करने के लिए कि आपको लगेगा भूल रहे हैं, कमांड कभी भी नहीं आ पाएगी. यू नीड टू गिव एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 2 रिविजन्स. दैट आई एम सेइंग मिनिमम. कोई इससे ज़्यादा करता है बहुत अच्छा है. 2 रिविजन के बाद भी कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा नहीं आता कि यार नहीं पेपर आएगा बस. तो बिकॉज ऑफ द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स एंड सो मच कंटेंट, लाइक अगर आप IPCC से जिसका अटेम्प्ट अभी आने वाला है, आप अभी इस सब्जेक्ट की कोचिंग ले रहे हो, पिछले सब्जेक्ट की ली थी, आपको लग रहा होगा यार वो तो पूरा उड़ गया, कुछ याद ही नहीं है, एज इफ कोचिंग ही ना लियो. बट अगर आपने उस टाइम अच्छे से उसे पढ़ा होगा, देन इट विल स्टिक टू योर फ्लैश मेमोरी. वो आपके बैक ऑफ द माइंड हमेशा सेफ है. व्हेन यू विल बी रिवाइजिंग इट, तो आपको बड़ी जल्दी चीज़ें ग्रास्प होएंगी. तो नेवर बी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट कि यार मैं चीज़ें भूल रहा हूँ. वो हमेशा रहता है, हर किसी के साथ होता है. वी कांट रिमेंबर ऑल द थिंग्स ऑल द टाइम. बट इट नीड्स रेगुलर ब्रशअप. तो आपको रेगुलरली करना है. And always do revisions by filtering it down. If you are taking 2 months for the first revision, you should take 1 month for the next revision. So plan it accordingly. In the first revision, mark the questions which you, मतलब जो easily हो गए तो उनको छोड़ो, जो tough थे उन पे. And always focus on concepts. You can't go for multiplicity of questions all the time. You have to be very strong on your concepts, especially in subject like cost FM. Questions तो कितने भी बन सकते हैं subject में, endless हैं यार. Infinite questions can be there. So that's why you should always focus on concept. Like sir gives concept diary. वो हमेशा कहते हैं formulas कुछ नहीं होते, concept होते हैं. And obviously सर के पास आके वो सीखा है कि हाँ there are nothing anything like formula, कुछ नहीं है. Everything is concept. Just try to find out कि from where that formula is derived, what was the reason that the person who derived the formula made it, किस तरीके से it flowed. So अभी वो आपको practical life में बहुत help करेगा. It's your academics that make your practical life stronger. ऐसा नहीं आप academics में ढीले हैं, बाद में practical में कुछ भी हो जाएगा. वहाँ पे they expect you to know things. They will ask you questions from your academics life, and it is applied as it is there. It's just the practical aspect that is added, but academical वो आपको over the lifetime हमेशा help करेगा.